for ages. Mine is quite set in my ways, and so I buy the custom soda from Andrew, like 79p, and and he just lives on that. I keep saying he, but it's actually she. I thought it was a he to start with. Oh yeah. Yeah, they can sort of, you can, yeah, sort of steer it to one way or another like that. You got a heat now?
Yeah, it says to put it on the side of the enclosure and to take it off. But we use sellotape to take it off.
No, you need some foil tape. I'll give you some foil